zero. Okay, good evening, the teachers, my friends, and gentlemen, ladies, and I'm Petch, and today we talk about ChatGPT analysis, and we talk about all answer three of questions about assignments. Okay, I remember Qian Chenjun answer about the question one, Hu Jun question about number two, and Zhang Zhuo question the last one number three, and me Petch talk about the introduction and the nutshell overview in a nutshell about the ChatGPT OpenAI. And before start, I noticed to show that our information comes from the real sources, real users, and it's our experience using ChatGPT free and ChatGPT plus for 1 month, and other apps, Traffic, Publicity, and Google Gemini for 1 month to see and to compare about how efficiency can use about the AI chatbot. Okay, and first one before the question, I will just start about overview of ChatGPT. Okay, I start with the open charter, by which we mean highly autonomous system that perform humans at most equally work and benefits our humanity, right? ChatGPT is generic AI chatbot released on the 2022 by the OpenAI platform, the file in the 2015, built on the AI series of generative pre-trained transformer (GPT), and the resolution I think the released 2 months ago, and the operations with business models premium, right? Premium, you know that is about the free and the premium, so you can use the same always the same way and defend a bit about the expression and limitation of the information. Subscription list is on shown the PowerPoint, and the main KPI main is expanding paid subscriptions by 2 times 22 million for the current monetization at the end of the next year. Number of users 350 million users and 60 million paid subscribers in 2025. Here is a table is about paid subscription and options list by the OpenAI in the 2025. Okay, and on my part, let's start to Zhang Zhuo to speak about question ones. Okay.
Right now, ChatGPT offers 3 options. One is free, other is a paid version called ChatGPT Plus, and the third is called Pro, $200 per month. That setup has worked pretty well, but it's not perfect. First, a free version has helped ChatGPT grow incredibly fast. It's reached over 100 million users in just 2 months after the launching. That's because people could try it out easily, with no cost or commitment. A free production is always a great way to attract attention. The Plus version does offer real benefits. It gives users faster response, more responsibility during the business time, and access to ChatGPT-4, which are more advanced model for people who use ChatGPT every day for work, study, or content creation that can make a big difference. The model has been very successful financially. OpenAI, the company behind the ChatGPT, is now earning billions of dollars per year and expect revenue to reach $12.7 billion by the end of 2025. That's impressive, and it shows that many people are willing to pay. As good as this sound is not perfect. The biggest issue is the price. For many people, students, part-time workers, or people in developing countries, $20 per month is too expensive, while the Plus version faster and more powerful. The difference is isn't big enough for free users to justify the cost. In fact, many users saying like that, I like ChatGPT Plus, but I don't think it's worth $20. Maybe I'd pay 10, but not more. So a lot of people end up staying on the free version, not because they don't like ChatGPT, but because they upgraded. Just doesn't feel worth it. Other problem is that there are only several choices, free $20 or $200. That's a big gap. So maybe you could be happy to pay 10 or $5 or $10 for some extra feature, but didn't need the full Plus plan. Right now, they are left out. And not forget, the competition is growing fast. People can choose other AI toys. So if ChatGPT stay expensive, it might start losing users. So maybe ChatGPT can offer a middle plan, maybe $10 per month, while limited access to ChatGPT-4. So, and maybe it can offer a discount for students or center countries, just like what happened in UAE. and improve the business version for companies and teams may are using ChatGPT but need more toys and support. Yeah, my part is done. Next.
Question 2. Based on development framework in keeping with the quants, frame the problems and recommend the correct purpose, include project revenue state and justified assumptions used and include real-life data and figures where possible. Frame the problems. What is a proposal of individual usage in a appropriate way? Why does it matter? We need to identify all stakeholders like CEO, board of managers. They focus on strategic decision thinking, and the types of story you are telling is version or overall in advance. Scope of the problem is that PDF exporting has very limited to scope file and cannot use AI directly, although OpenAI launched new versions. Review the previous fitting. OpenAI has the obsoleted PDF exporting generator which developed and released the beta version in June. Modeling measurement. The goal is finding a number of customers enough to turn to profit with deadlines. Give the example a private response. The person one is financial consultant and DBS bank. The last one is graphic designer interwork at NTU. Also, I want to know the video condition. It's up to 1. It's not necessary for using. And last, it's higher than 10. It's likely to use price subscription. In summary, we set the formula and factors to affect making the decisions to attend. Determine target point for formula is the most important for catch preparation. OpenAI sets the goal for projection double revenue in the end of 2025. Thus, OpenAI must convince people about convenience of using Pro with creating significant improvement from free version or reducing subscription fee or easy access or discuss large organizations to provide in large scale, for example, like in office and company. Moreover, highly competition makes OpenAI be relaxed about go under replicate change. We give advice OpenAI to envisage more detailed or more produced new market like UAE and some other global markets like Vietnam and so on. My part is done. Next is question 3.
Okay. Questions relate to different customers persona for user who would use ChatGPT, the person-wise who use ChatGPT Plus, his name and Pei is a senior reporter who enjoy CNET since 2022. He has experience to be a reporter at the New York Post, the Washington Post, the person who use ChatGPT for developer. His name is Lin. He helps startup build the software project and gives necessary advice to new beginners who wants to adapt to new business ever under technology. And they think the key distinction is using management, and they think the key business question is free version still was enough to use. Version is different a bit from free version in case not complicated. Okay, the questions read down.
Okay, and here is the references of the presentation about this related to the report. And I think the teacher suggests you do. Okay, end of presentation. Thank you very much for the listening and okay, thank you very much everyone.